We've done it. We've climbed all the way to the top of the ladder. This is level 4, the most abstract, the most philosophical, and the most all-encompassing idea of the multiverse. This one goes way beyond just physics and asks a really fundamental question about the nature of reality itself.
And this is the question that really gets level 4 going, famously asked by the physicist John Archibald Wheeler. Look, if our entire universe can be described by a set of mathematical equations, why those equations? Why not some other set? The level 4 hypothesis gives a pretty radical answer to that question. It says that all possible mathematical structures are physically real. Every set of equations that is internally consistent describes its very own universe with its own unique laws of physics. It's this idea of mathematical democracy. If you can describe a reality with math, then that reality exists somewhere.
So after that incredible climb up the ladder of weirdness, we're left with a huge question. Should we believe in any of this? And honestly, it all seems to boil down to a really fundamental debate about what reality even is. It really comes down to one of two big ideas. The first is the traditional view, the Aristotelian view. What we see and feel is fundamental reality, and math is just a clever language we humans invented to describe it. But the second view, the Platonic view, flips that on its head. It says the mathematical structure is the true reality, and our entire conscious experience is just one small, subjective peek from inside that structure. How you feel about the multiverse probably depends on which of those two camps you fall into. And this leads us to a fantastic final thought from Max Tegmark. Critics of the multiverse say it's wasteful and inelegant because it imagines all these infinite, unseen worlds. But the proponents fire back that a single unique universe is actually the wasteful idea, because you need to add tons of extra rules and explanations, many, many words to justify why it's this specific one and not some other. So what's really the more elegant solution? An infinity of worlds or an infinity of words to explain just one? That is definitely something to think about.